Hello. Hello. I just wanted to show you where I used my black glitter paper that I'd made earlier. I put it in behind the word hello. Can you see it right there? And through here. I originally was thinking, oh, I'll cut out the word hello, put it in black and put white on the back, but then it just kind of disappeared because the card's too dark. So then I thought, well, I still want to use it, so I made it the shadow. Every time I bring this close to the lens, it just kind of goes fuzzy. Welcome to my world. So there, I think you can see it sparkling right there. And I also added Wink of Stella to the white paper. I added some of the, what is this stuff? Studio something, it's Studio G, it's the glitter glue stuff from Michaels. I could get it for $2. I added that to the tips of these. And the person I'm giving this card to, her favorite color is purple, and she selected this one out of all the succulent cards that I had, because it was probably the most purple. So I wanted her to have this. I finished it off with hello and added some sequins as well as some rhinestones that actually match as well. I hope that you will take the hints and instructions for making your own glitter paper. I saved this so that I can maybe line the side of a card. You can have it come down like that. This one here, I've also got some blue glitter paper there that I had. I took one of the colors from here and made that sheet back there to add a bit of glitter to the page over there. So, I mean, my goodness, how many different things can you make when you can make your own glitter paper? Thank you for watching. Won't you join us on All Things Cards on Facebook as well as Instagram. May God richly bless you. Goodbye.